Hi, boys and girls. For this Hanukkah activity, you are going to practice your power words. You're going to need 4 crayons: yellow, orange, gray, and blue. Pause the video and get your crayons. Welcome back. You're going to use your yellow crayon and color in the power word you. Can you find the power word you? I see you right here. So I'm going to color in this whole box around the edges in yellow. Where else do you see the word you? Pause the video and color in all the power word you yellow. Now you're going to get out your orange crayon. You're going to use the orange crayon to color in the power word and. Do you see the word and? Pause the video and color in and orange. Now you're going to get your gray crayon out, or maybe a pencil if you can't find a gray crayon. You're going to color in the word can gray. Can you find the word can? Pause the video and color it in gray. Now you're going to use your blue crayon to color in the word me. Do you see the word me? Pause the video, color it in blue. Great job!